YouTube, man? I'm back with another video. Wiring up these brake lights and turn signals, trunk, well, tail light lights. Let me show y'all what I've done so far. This is the right turn signal. The third brake light up top. Show y'all what it looked like in the front. Okay. Alright, we got an amber light right here. I could have did this one right there, but I'm gonna just leave that one alone. Okay, you guys. Put this back over here. Let's see. Let me see, is that on? Okay. Got all the side markers on here. I think I did a pretty good job. Let me show y'all left hand signal. Digital dash. I had to do an aftermarket switch. Alright, that's the left hand signal. Let's go to the back first. We got left. How y'all like that third brake light, man? Drop in the comments section, man. Chevy Nova, LS Swap Chevy Nova with a third brake light. First in the world, man. Also, I got the signal on here on the dash. Yep. I do a little wiring, man. Yes, sir. Show you what it looked like in the front. Yep. See what the hazards look like. Hazards. See what that third brake light do with the hazards on. Oh, that's nice, man. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Getting ready for the Gap Fest, man. I gotta have all my shit ready for the Gap Fest. Gotta get a wash next. Roaches with the spinning cap. Next, I'll be getting inside, and man, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these wires. I gotta tuck them somewhere. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I gotta get an oil change. I gotta wire up this neutral safety switch. Go right there. Wire up this neutral safety switch. I'll probably do that tomorrow. I'm tired now, man. Yeah, but if y'all here for the first time, man, I appreciate if y'all subscribe. Yeah. Clean up in here, man. Wipe it down, polish it up. Oh yeah, digital dash, got the hazard lights. See what it looked like in the front. ready. Okay, y'all, this is all I got for today. We're gonna keep moving and keep working, man, and restoring this project. And I'll see y'all at the Gap Fest. Peace.